So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to compare fractions using the least common multiple, using least common multiple. So let's say you're given two fractions like this, and then you have to tell whether it's great that the left side is greater, less than, or equal. Alright, so the first thing to do is find the LCM. So we're gonna find the LCM of 3 and 9. So we list a couple of them: 3, 9, 12. Then we have 9, 18, 27. So the LCM in this case is 9 because that's the first one we find. Okay, now since we have to make the denominator equal to each other in order to compare it, so how do I make a 9 out of a 3? I multiply top and bottom by 3. So that gives me 9, and then 1 times 3 is 3. Then we have 1 over 9. With this one we don't have to do anything because the 9 is already in both denominators. So now we only look at the top. Is 3 greater than 1? Yes, that means that the left side is greater than 1 over 9. And that's our answer for this particular one. Okay. So let's say we're given, that's greater than. So now let's do 1 less than. Let's say you're given 1 over 4, and then you're giving 7 over 16. Okay, so now we need to find the LCM of 4 and 16. The way you do it, like we did before, is you list multiple. So you add 4 to each time. 4, 8, 12, 16. Then here we start with 16, 32. But notice we have 16. So we stop there. That's the LCM. So that means that I have to make each denominator equal to 16. How do I make this a 16? I multiply by 4. But whatever I do to the bottom, I do it to the top. So 1 times 4 is 4. And then 4 times 4 is 16. So the new setup looks like this. And now I look at the numbers on top. The numerator is 4 greater than 7? No, it's less than. So we put less than. And that's our answer. Let's do one that is equal. Let's do 1 over 5. And then let's do let's do 2 over 10. Okay, so first we start with the LCM. LCM of 5 and 10. Okay, start with 5. 5, 10, 15, and then 10, 20, 30. But notice we already have it. That's the LCM. So now we rearrange the initial setup. So we need to make the 5 at 10. So how do I make it? Multiply by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do it to the top. So 1 times 2 is 2, and then 5 times 2 is 10. Now, both denominators are equal, so that we can proceed. Now we look at the top numerator. Is 2 equal to 2? Yes, so we put equal. And that's our answer. So we look at one example for greater than, less than, and equal. That's what I wanted to show you on this video. Thank you very much.